This is your agency. You put $5,000 of ads into the top, and this is where your profit goes. You think you have a lead generation problem, but you are wrong. You have a retention problem. For every 100 leads you buy, you ignore 95 of them after 48 hours. In my world, accounting, we call that burning inventory. You pay full price for an asset, then throw it into the trash. So why is there a gap between the lead you paid for and the money in your bank? Because your current automation is deaf. You use generic workflows that just say, hey, are you still interested? That is not a conversation. That is spam. Your lead ignore you because you treat them like a number, not a human. This is how we fix the leak. This is the Lazarus Engine. I built this to act like a forensic accountant for your CRM. It doesn't spam, it reads the history. It sees when they ghosted, it sees what they click. Then it uses AI to draft a message that references the specific context. It converts dead leads into active conversations by proving you actually listened. Now, here's the reality. I am an operations architect, I've built the engine, and I've tested the logic. Now, I'm looking for the fuel. I'm looking for 3 agencies to run this pilot program. I will install the Lazarus Engine and audit your graveyard of leads. Since you are the pilot partners, I'm taking 100% of the risk. If we don't book calls, you don't pay. I'm not asking for a retainer, I am asking for your trust. The leads you've already given up on, so I can turn them into gold. So stop filling a bucket with a hole. Let me plug the leak. Link below for the pilot application.